So while everybody was sitting back, not really inventing, Ryobi was out there changing the world. Now, they just released the brand new tower light standing at 7 feet tall, 3,800 lumens. It can bend in shape, and you can bend the head any way you want to so that you can get a lot more out of this light. Now, that is all well and good, and we love a good, solid job site tower light that can do so much, especially at 7 feet tall. That's pretty awesome. But here's the big thing. It has the new TriPower system, and what does that actually mean? Well, they slipped that in. They didn't really talk about it, but I'm going to shine a huge spotlight on it because of one thing. The TriPower runs off of 40 volts, 18 volts, and 120 volts. Now, the 40 volts is DC, direct current, so is the 18 volt, and it also runs off 120 volts AC, which is alternating current, which is the wall power that everyone uses at 60 hertz in the United States. With all of that being said, I don't know of any tool that runs off of 18 volts, 40 volts, and wall power, so I think this is the first one. But I think this is going to be the first one that's going to change the industry of many. Now, mark my words. Let's start to think about this. Everyone, what do you think? Are we going to start to see the chop saw going 40 volts, 18 volts, and 120 volts? Are we going to see the table saw do the same thing? Are we going to see some awesome other fans that are going to do the same thing? What are some of the other tools that you could see that could run off 40 volts and 18 volts and 120 volts? Now, some of the things that don't make sense, that's pretty easy. Well, it doesn't really make sense to have a drill or, you know, maybe a leaf blower that actually makes sense, but I think some of the more stationary big tools makes the most sense, and I think that's what we could focus on. But I want to start a conversation, and I want to know what you all think. Is this something that we're going to see develop the next level of Ryobi? I'm not really sure, but I'm looking forward to seeing how it all develops. Now, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. On this channel, we do a ton of tool reviews, tool news. We do a lot of projects. We build stuff. And that's because I just love the industry as a whole. If you like this content, why don't you go down below, hit that like button, and subscribe, because you're going to see many, many more videos coming out like this as well. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, because that's how you know when I release the most latest and up-to-date videos. And until next time, again, my name is Brent. Live Free and Tool On. Get out there, go build something. Make your mistakes, learn from your mistakes, take your learnings, pass it on to the next generation, and we will all be better for it at the end of the day. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Take care.